In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 steps to starting an online business and how you can make $1,400 or more in a day simply by reselling digital products in the e-learning industry, which is a $1 billion-a-day industry. And you don't have to create these products yourself. This is a done-for-you business, and you can set up your business in a few hours. Okay, so this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Results vary. Everybody has different results here. Okay, everything is based on your effort. So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. Now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business because my company cut my pay in half, and I decided I didn't want to get another job because I didn't want to be overworked and underpaid and underappreciated until the day I die. Okay. And what I love about this business is the fact that you don't have to get on the phone with people, you don't have to cold message strangers, you don't have to bother friends and family, you don't have to pay for ads. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience to do this. It's super beginner friendly. Plus, there's a community for training and support. So if you can copy, paste, and post content to social media just like this, then you have the potential to have $600, $900, and $1,400 days from your phone. Okay. So let's explain how this works. And plus, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to share my screen and show you everything. But first, let's understand how business works in general, right? Every time you buy something, money goes to somebody's pocket. Every time you sell something, money goes to your pocket. Okay. So when it comes to making money online and business in general, it's a 3-step process. The offer is the thing you're selling, okay? It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product, it can be an opportunity, it can be a service, it can be your offer, or it can be somebody else's offer, right? And we earn 100% profit here because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing. We're not splitting our profits with anybody else. There's no uplines, there's no downlines. You keep 100% of the profit. It's kind of like a franchise business, right? And step number 2, you have a system. The system is what automates your business and allows you to make money in your sleep. How does that work? You have a link. Like my domain is 7figuremonk.com. And if you want to learn more, just go here, by the way. There's a link in the bio. It's 7figuremonk.com, right? So you're going to have a domain, which is your link. People click on your link, they go to your capture page. I'm going to show you what this looks like. They go to the capture page, you're capturing people's emails, they watch videos from you, they get emails from you, following up with people for you, following up with your leads, your potential customers. And then they can go to your website and they can buy from you. Okay, this is how every online business works, right? They have a website, people go there, they buy stuff. Okay, and if it's an offline business, this is the store. People go to the store and they buy stuff. So every business needs customers, right? Every business needs leads, which are potential customers. Okay, you want to just drive traffic to your website, to your store. That's how you make money. Okay, now there's 4 basic ways to do that. You can do paid advertising. You can do warm outreach, which means bothering friends and family. You can do cold outreach, which means cold messaging strangers. And you can do free content. So we teach you the free content strategies using social media and high traffic websites to attract customers. Okay, so posting 3 pieces of content a day. This is what we teach. 2-hour workday. We teach you how to get your income earning activities finished, your business activities finished in about 2 hours a day. So this is what I do myself. Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Choose your favorite platform or platforms and just start posting content. You're attracting customers. And we teach you how to do this inside of our community. Okay, a millionaire is going to teach you how to create content, how to go live, and how to post free ads. Okay, we have recorded trainings for this that show you how to do everything. Plus, we have live millionaire mentoring inside of our community. It's interactive. Okay, so we help you build your business. You're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. So that's pretty much how you make money online. Offer, system, strategy. All right. So remember that. And if you want to get started, 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. There's 2 videos you can watch. There's a website you can read. There's a PDF, the Freedom Formula Blueprint, that has created over 125 6-figure income earners inside of our community. Okay, so check out that information. Now, let me just share my screen with you so I can show you exactly how this business works. And if you have any questions, let me know. So let me share my screen. Okay. So this is what our automated system looks like. And you can set up this system in a few hours, right? All you got to do is put your picture here. It's a capture page. People go here, they put their email in. And as soon as they put their email in, they click on the button, right? And it takes them to the next page, which is the thank you page. Now the thank you page, the video's just answering the questions for you. The video's doing the selling and explaining for you, right? Okay, so then if they're ready to buy or whatever, they're ready to go to the website, they click on that button, and it'll take them to the website. And there's also this video that we send out in people's emails. So there's 2 videos that are doing the explaining for you and doing the selling for you, right? And then it takes people to the website, which looks something like this. Okay, it's a very clean website, kind of like if you look at Apple, it's kind of clean like Apple's website, very nice, user-friendly, clean website, which is what you want. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. Done for you website. So you can get this whole system set up in a few hours. Okay. So this is a beginner-friendly program to build online income flexibility and freedom, right? It's a global business opportunity, and you can learn how to build recurring income streams, how to monetize on social media. Like we teach you how to build multiple streams of income, how to do email marketing, affiliate marketing, how to create your own products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok monetization, and you become certified in digital marketing. Plus, we're gonna, we always add more to this program. Okay, there's 59,000 members in our community. Plus, we did $29 million in sales in 10 months when we launched this business back in April of 2024. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. I'm just going to show you the website real quick. Okay. And there's like testimonies on the website. You see all these buttons here. As soon as they click the button, it takes them down here to this video, which explains everything, explains all the programs, all the products that people are going to buy. Okay. So that's what the buttons are there for. And let me just go through the website testimonials, why people love our program, beginner friendly, 2-hour workflow, available in English and Spanish, simple steps and tools to follow, keep every dollar that you make, up to 1,400 per sale, learn to attract daily paying customers. Okay. Then we got the community for training and support. You get live millionaire mentoring inside of our community. It's interactive, right? And then we have all these recorded trainings that you can watch as well. This is just your bio section. Okay. You put your picture here, you put your bio here. Okay, we show you how to set this up. This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income, you want financial security, you want to work from anywhere, you want reliable income streams, you want to start a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of the online business. Okay, now there's more testimonials here. Okay, we teach you how to use AI as well to build your business, because AI is going to replace all kinds of jobs. So you got to learn how to use AI. Not only AI, but like people that know how to use AI are going to, they're going to make more money than people that don't know how to use AI. Okay. Then you become certified in digital marketing. We have a certification training that you can go through. So you become a certified reseller of these programs and you become certified in digital marketing, right? And then this is a global business. It's in English and Spanish. You can get customers from any part of the world. Okay. And this shows you what you're going to learn, because that's what we do. We sell these programs, right? So this shows you what you're going to learn in each of the programs. This is where we sell 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. They sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1,400. You have the resale rights to these. So you can learn from them and then you can resell them. And they're in English and Spanish if you go with the bundle pack. Okay, so you can only earn at the level that you're at. So like it's a one-time investment. There's 0 monthly fees. I also invested. I don't regret investing at all because I made thousands of dollars. Plus, I've learned so many things. So I don't regret investing whatsoever. Even though I tried so many programs and side hustles before this, I failed at everything. This is the only thing I was ever successful with. So if you start at the 1,400 level, which I recommend, you can earn at every level, right? You can only earn at the level that you're at and below. Okay, so if you're at the $1,400 level, you can start having $1,400 commissions, right? $1,400 days. If you're at the 900 level, you can have 900 and below, right? Like that. So there's 5 different programs. So as soon as you start the business, you just purchase one of the programs, and then you're going to get this whole system. Like this whole system is included. Doesn't matter which program you purchase, you still get the system and you still get access to our community and you still get access to the bonuses. There's 0 monthly fees. Okay. So you just choose which program is best for you, and your customer is also going to choose as well. So that's it. So they go here and they purchase one of the programs, and this video explains what's inside of every program. So if somebody's like, well, what is it all about? They want more information, have them watch the video. Okay. And then you get all the bonuses, like access to our community for free. You get all these bonus trainings, how to grow your own community, how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own digital products, all these bonus trainings. And that's pretty much the website. Yeah, that's the website. Okay. So yeah, let me show you something else too. I forgot to load that. Let me load that real quick. Let me show you inside here. Okay. Yep. Gotta add my details. Blah, 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 blah. All right. There we go. So now once you purchase one of the programs, right, you're going to have access to your program here. It's stored in Kajabi. Okay. So here's where you access your program. You just go through the training. It's just a training program. It's going to teach you how to, do digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to build multiple streams of income. So you just go through all the trainings over time. You're not like just over time. You watch the training whenever you want to watch it. You watch it and whatever you learn, you implement. Okay. So that's your trainings. And then your certification training is here, right? And then your bonuses are here. All your bonuses are here, okay? And your website setup. So you got to set up your pages, right? You got to set these pages up if you want to make money. You got to set up your system, right? So this shows you how to set up the system. For example, it's going to show you what accounts you need to open up. So you just go through, you watch the videos, and you make sure you pay attention and you just follow everything step by step. And if you made a mistake, there's also tech support inside of our community. We have 24/7 support inside of our community. So for example, you got to go to GoDaddy, get your own domain, get your professional email address. You need that for email marketing. You need that for having like a professional online business. Then you got to set up your payment accounts like Stripe, PayPal, Square. We show you how to set those up. Then you just got to connect your system to your domain, and we show you how to do that. So watch the videos. You can set this all up in a few hours. It doesn't take long. Then it's going to look something like this. You're going to have your business ready, all set up, ready to go with your website here at the end. There you go. Then you know, and then you just test it, make sure it's working, and that's it. If you have questions, again, just go inside the community. We have tech support and everything. So here's our community. Once you're brand new, you can introduce yourself, ask questions, whatever questions you have, tech support, social media, whatever. You can post your wins. We got 59,000 plus people here. So let's go to the win section. Let's see if people have made money. Let's see the latest wins. Okay. All right. Okay. 400 in a day as a 20-year-old, right? This person's 20 years old. They made $400 in a day, guys, as a 20-year-old. Life-changing. Okay. Life-changing. This has literally changed my life. I'm beyond blessed to live a life I can only dream of. There you go. Just got their first sale. Boom. Another one. First sale. Boom. Okay. People post whatever they want to post, right? So look at this. 1,800 since April 1st. Boom. 59,000 people inside of our community. Yes, they're celebrating. My first YouTube lead. See, people post whatever they want to post, right? It's up to them what they want to post, right? So she made $1,500 over the weekend. I love, love, love having an automated system. Yes. Back and better than ever. Yes. All right. Okay. And classroom shows you where we have all these bonus trainings in our classroom. Getting started, like once you're inside of our classroom, watch this so you understand everything in more detail. And if you have questions, you can always reply to my emails too. And there you go. All these bonus trainings are here. And then the calendar, okay, the calendar shows you what's going on. Different events we have, Q&As, webinars that you can invite people to, millionaire mentoring, that's all in the calendar. Okay, and that's pretty much the community. Let me know if you have any questions. And then, yeah, so so like I said, once you got to set up your business, then you just got to drive traffic to your website. You got to attract leads. Okay. So how do we do that? Like I use YouTube, for example. I use YouTube to build my business. I create long form videos like this video right here on YouTube. I create all kinds of stuff, marketing stuff. I promote my business on YouTube. I give mindset and marketing tips as well. Short videos. I do little short videos where I'm just talking for a minute or 7-second videos with words on the screen. Okay. I do lives. So I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok and my lives are recorded. Okay. I create some playlists, different things, different playlists. It's like a series of videos, okay, about different stuff. And then I do posts like for my business. Like I do value posts where I'm just giving people value, motivation, inspiration, wisdom, insights. And then I do like money posts where I'm promoting my business. Like this is a business post. I'm promoting my business post, value post. So you want to mix the value in the business. And I also do it on TikTok too. So I have TikTok too, short form videos, like a minute or less. Same thing, 7-second videos, words on the screen, talking videos. Like we teach you how to do this. Okay. And then also you can post free ads. I'll show you how. So there's like websites you can go to. We have training for this, posting free ads. Like here I can post ads anywhere in the world. I'll just go to the top one. Well, I'll go to Michigan because that's where I'm from. Let me just go to my hometown. You can post them anywhere though. I'm from Ann Arbor, so I'm going to go here, build wealth. Okay. So people are looking for ways to make money. This is a money making offer, right? So let's do, business opportunities. I can do any of them. It doesn't matter. And all I do is copy and paste stuff, right? So I have all my ads. It's already here. It's ready to go. So I just copy it. I put it in Google Docs, right? And then I copy it. Then I go back to the ad site. Okay. I paste it. Simple copy and paste, not hard. Let me just make sure the spacing is good. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And then I can fill in these things. I've been to this website before, so I have all this stuff. Time commitment, flexible, skill level, no experience, payout frequency, potentially daily. Okay, company name, that's my website. And then I just got to put a picture here. I got all these pictures that I have saved. So let's get one of those pictures. Posting ad pics. Let's do this one. Yeah. Okay, learn to earn 1400 daily. Boom. And I just got to put this number here. So make sure I'm not a bot. And then I just press post. And there you go. There you go. And I can go see my ad. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like this. Cool. I don't like what they did with my spacing, but that's all right. I can edit it. Let me go edit my ad because they messed up the spacing. I don't know why. So let me just space it out a little bit. Give it a little space. There you go. So you can edit your ad if you don't like you don't like something about it, you can always go in and edit it. Okay, something like that. That. There we go. I'm also sending them to like one of my YouTube videos as well. So it helps you. You can also build your social media channel. And then there we go. Continue. Let's go to my ad. Let's check it out. There you go. Better spacing. Looks a little better. Okay. And then you can see my little picture here. This is my ad. And then if they click on this link, what happens? It takes them here. And also they can join my free community here. Okay. And they can go and watch one of my videos here on YouTube. There you go. You see, that's the power of doing free ads. So there you go. I showed you exactly how this business works. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com. Just go there, check out the information, right? Yeah, see if it's a good fit for you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you know somebody, they're looking for legitimate ways to make money online, just share this video with them. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.